Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers with a look at your forecast for today. We are much calmer out there today. It was kind of wild yesterday. We had that band of severe weather moving through. It was quick moving. So this kind of track of storms raced across the mountains in the Front Range yesterday. So it didn't stick around for long over the metro area, but when it moved through, it certainly produced some of those strong winds. Winds, as we mentioned yesterday, gusting up over 60 miles per hour. We certainly saw some 50, close to 60 mile per hour wind gusts in and around the metro area. And we saw some 70 mile per hour wind gusts in areas as well. But for today, we are looking at much calmer conditions. We have a ridge of high pressure building in, and what that does is really keep any type of storm activity out of our area or any type of active weather. So we're looking at dry, sunny conditions, not just today, but tomorrow as well, and as we head into Friday. Big changes, though, come Friday, Saturday, really into Sunday. We have a strong storm system moving in, and that's going to bring a lot of precipitation. We're talking rain for the lower elevations and some of that kind of thick, slushy snow up at the higher elevation. So let's take you outside right now, where earlier today, this camera was still kind of bouncing around. So it was breezy. Those winds are starting to lighten up, and the winds out of the southwest that brought us kind of the really breezy conditions, the windy conditions yesterday and the breezy conditions this morning, kind of shifting as that system moves off to the north and east of us, and we'll start to see those winds come in from the north and northeast this afternoon and this evening. So look at your headlines for today. We're in store for a warm into the week. It's going to be sunny and a bit breezy today through Friday. We do have that weekend storm I mentioned moving in, and that's going to produce a lot of rain as well as mountain snow. We're talking several inches of mountain snow as a result of that storm. And yes, fall arrives. It actually officially arrives on Sunday. It's going to feel like fall, though, on Saturday as well, with temperatures really dropping down into the 70s and even 60s by Sunday. Current temperatures out there, 81 degrees out at DIA, 79 in Greeley. We're already up to 84 degrees in Lyman, 82 in Fort Collins, 60s, 70s in the mountains. 83 is your forecast high for the metro area today, so we'll probably warm a couple degrees as we head into the afternoon. Again, a little bit breezy in the foothills. Those winds in the foothills gusting up to 40 miles per hour, but not too bad out across the rest of the plains, or at least here in the metro area. Temperatures going to be climbing into the mid-80s across the plains, some low 90s too. Lamar 92 degrees, 60s and 70s. Up in the mountains. So another nice day, our normal high for this time of the year, 79 degrees. So we're going to be a few degrees above that. All right, here's a look at our satellite radar, and you can see it is quiet out there. We have a ridge of high pressure building in. You can see that storm track that brought us the windy conditions and the severe weather, the severe thunderstorms yesterday, pushing up to the north and east, up through the Midwest right now, the Great Lakes. And again, that high pressure keeping things pretty quiet for us here in Colorado, and pretty clear as well. Those current wind gusts still a little breezy out there. As you can see, 18 mile per hour wind gusts in Fort Collins, 17 miles per hour in Broomfield, 30 mile per hour wind gusts up in Estes Park. Berthoud Pass reporting 40 mile per hour wind gusts. So yeah, still a little breezy up there, especially in the foothills, and you're going to see that those winds really pick up again as we head into tonight, especially in the foothills. You can see 40 plus mile per hour wind gusts there in the foothills. Nederland, Allens Park, Estes Park, Red Feather Lakes, getting some strong gusts going on this afternoon and this evening before things kind of quiet down overnight. Here's a look at our futurecast when it comes to precipitation. We're really not seeing anything other than clouds moving in from the south. So we're staying pretty clear here, though, in the metro area. So your forecast for tonight, 48 degrees, so it's going to be cool. It's going to be a chilly morning tomorrow. Bundle up. Winds decrease, and we're looking at a beautiful night to get outside and look at the stars, clear skies overhead. Lows tonight, 40s and 50s across the plains, 30s and 40s, the mountains. Tomorrow, a little bit breezy at times, mostly sunny. We're going to make it up to 86 degrees, but yeah, those winds out of the south gusting up to 20 miles per hour once again. Going to be a warm one again. Temperatures mainly in the 80s across the plains, 60s, 70s in the mountains. And then we have that system moving in. Here's a look at our futurecast, tracking the showers. You can see pretty widespread showers across the state. This is Saturday. Again, this goes into the weekend. So we're warm and dry today, tomorrow, and Friday. Friday, there's a chance we could see some sprinkles Friday night as the system starts to move in. but we're looking mainly dry and warm. And then again, there's the change. There's that storm system moving in, bringing us widespread showers across the state Saturday night. And that's going to continue right on into Sunday morning. This is overnight. Boy, look at that snow up in the high country. Some strong showers down in and around the metro area. And then it starts to move out after about noon. We're going to continue to be cloudy as we head into Monday. But again, we're looking at a good amount of rain, potentially an inch of rain or more. Some of the models showing here in the metro area with this system moving through. So look at your 7-day forecast. We are dry, we are warm today, tomorrow, and Friday. And then the big change, that system moves in, not only dropping those temperatures, a high of 72 on Saturday, 63. That is our high temperature, our forecast high temperature for Sunday. So very chilly, very fall-like, and that system moving through, bringing us a good amount of rain to the lower elevations, snow several inches to the higher elevations. Then we bounce back, getting closer to normal. Our normal high again, 79, 76 on Monday. It's going to be cool, but dry on Tuesday with a high of 72. So again, we are calling this weekend a potential weather impact, both Saturday and Sunday, potential weather impact days, and that's due to 1 inch or more of rain possible in the Denver metro area, several inches of snow above about 9,000 feet. And again, there is that potential for burn scar flooding with heavy rain and heavy downpours as that system moves through the high country and then down over the plains. That is a quick look at your weather on this Wednesday. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.